You have seen this in library code and wondered what it means. While chunk : equals f.read. That : equals is the Walrus operator. It assigns and tests in a single expression. I am Mahaz. Episode 45, Modern Python Syntax. Walrus, positional-only, keyword-only, TypeAlias, ParamSpec. Everything AI libraries use that you need to read and write. Let us go. For reasons modern syntax belongs in your toolkit. First, it removes boilerplate. Second, positional-only and keyword-only signal your API design. Third, TypeAlias and ParamSpec unlock full MYPY coverage. Fourth, transformers, Pydantic, and FastAPI all use these. Reading modern library code without these feels cryptic. With them, it clicks instantly. The Walrus operator, : equals. Old pattern, assign chunk, then test chunk in the while condition. You write the read call twice. That is the problem. Walrus collapses both into one line. While chunk : equals f.read, assigns and tests. Also works inside if m : equals re.match. One expression. No duplicación. Two syntax markers that control how callers pass arguments. / everything before it is positional only. Callers cannot use the name equals syntax for those arguments. * everything after it is keyword only. Callers must use the name equals syntax for those arguments. / protects your internal names from leaking into the API. * prevents silent positional argument mix-ups. TypeAlias gives a name to any complex type annotation. Vector : TypeAlias equals list of float. Now every function that needs a vector says vector, not list of float. ParamSpec captures a function's parameter signature. P equals ParamSpec of P. Your decorator can now declare it keeps the original signature. MYPY verifies callers pass the right arguments, even through wrappers. Let us build a typed file chunker using all three features. Step 1. TypeAlias names the bytes chunk type. Step 2. The function signature uses keyword-only size. Callers must write size equals 8192 explicitly. Step 3. Walrus : equals inside the while loop. Reads a chunk, assigns it, tests it, all in one expression. 3 features. 1 clean, fully typed, reusable generator. 30-second pause before the version highlights. Walrus, positional-only, keyword-only, already yours. Every episode on this channel is one mechanism explained simply. No fluff, no padding, just the real Python. 1 subscribe keeps this going. 2 seconds. Tap it now. Python 3.10 through 3.13 are next. 8 highlights across Python 3.10 through 3.12. 3.10 added match and case pattern matching. Also in 3.10 much better error messages. And the clean xpipe y union syntax instead of optional. 3.11 added tomlib and exception group. And it made the interpreter up to 60% faster. 3.12 added the type keyword and richer f-string nesting. Python 3.13 is the boldest release in years. The free threaded build removes the global interpreter lock. Run Python 3.13t to try it today. The new REPL supports multi-line editing with arrow keys. Lazy annotations via PEP 649 land here too. TypeIs and @warnings.deprecated are in typing now. 8 real codebases where you will see these features. Pydantic v2 uses TypeAlias and keyword-only fields everywhere. FastAPI route handlers use keyword-only for query parameters. The transformers library uses ParamSpec on its decorator-heavy API. All stlib built-ins like len and print use positional-only /. Essentio uses Walrus in its internal read loops. 3 mistakes everyone makes with modern syntax. Mistake 1. Walrus inside a comprehension leaks the variable. That is intentional by design, not a bug. Mistake 2. Putting / after * in a signature. / must come before *, always. Mistake 3. Using TypeAlias without importing it. In 3.12 you can use the type keyword instead. Mini project, a fully typed file chunker generator. TypeAlias names the chunk and chunks types at the top. The function signature uses keyword-only size. The return type is chunks, the generator alias. Inside the loop, Walrus : equals reads and tests in one line. Call it with read file of path, size equals 8192. Your challenge. Build a modern syntax data pipeline. Step 1, create a type alias for your row type. Step 2, write a reader with keyword-only size argument. Step 3, use Walrus inside the read loop. Bonus, add a ParamSpec logging decorator on top. Paste your pipeline in the comments. I reply to every single one. Let us recap what you learned today. Walrus : equals assigns and tests in one expression. Positional-only / locks callers out of keyword syntax. Keyword-only * forces callers to name every argument. TypeAlias gives readable names to complex type annotations. ParamSpec preserves signatures through decorators for MYPY. 310 through 313 added speed, safety, and clarity. Next episode, serialization and pickle. Save and load any Python object to disk. Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow. Modern Python syntax. Unlocked. Walrus / TypeAlias ParamSpec. AI library code will never look cryptic again. You can write the same patterns the pros use. Subscribe for the next episode. Tell me which feature you will use first. I am Mahaz. See you in episode 46.